You keep saying you're lost, confused, unsure about life. But what if you're not lost at all? What if you know exactly what to do and you're just avoiding one hard decision? Listen carefully.
There was a young man named Rohan, mid-20s, average life, average dreams. From the outside, he looked fine, but inside, his mind was noisy. Too many thoughts, too many options, too many excuses. Every day felt busy, yet nothing meaningful moved forward. Rohan often said, "I don't know what I want." But the truth was, he knew what scared him. He knew the job he hated, the habit he needed to quit, the dream he kept postponing. At night, he lay on his bed, staring at the ceiling. His mind whispered, "What if I choose wrong? What if I fail? What if people laugh?" So he chose nothing.
Days turned into months. Rohan stayed busy to avoid thinking, scrolling, watching, planning things he never started. Whenever someone asked, "So what are you doing with your life?" he smiled and said, "Still figuring it out." But deep inside, that answer felt heavy, because confusion was comfortable, decisions were not.
One evening, Rohan visited his childhood home. It was quiet, familiar, unchanged. In his old room, he found a dusty notebook. Inside were dreams he wrote years ago. Big goals, clear direction. He sat there silently. The dreams were still alive, but he had moved away from them. That night, the house was silent. No notifications, no distractions, just the ticking clock. And suddenly, a thought hit him hard. I'm not lost. I'm just scared to choose, because choosing means responsibility. That moment hurt, but it was honest. Rohan finally understood something simple. Being lost wasn't the problem. Avoiding the hard decision was. The decision to try, the decision to fail, the decision to disappoint others or disappoint himself. Staying confused meant staying safe, but safety was slowly killing his future. The next morning, Rohan didn't feel brave. Fear was still there. But instead of asking, "What if this fails?" he asked, "What if I don't try at all?" That question scared him more. So he made one decision, just one. He applied. He started. He showed up. Not perfectly, but honestly. Here's the truth Rohan learned. Clarity doesn't come before action. It comes after decision. You don't find yourself by waiting. You find yourself by choosing and adjusting along the way. Life rewards movement, not overthinking. Rohan didn't suddenly have everything figured out, but he wasn't lost anymore, because now he was moving. And maybe you're not lost either. Maybe there's just one hard decision you've been avoiding. Make it, because confusion feels safe, but courage changes lives. If this story touched you, like, share, and subscribe for more stories. Your next decision might be the beginning of everything.